Are you looking for the best portable and powerful generators? In this video we will look at some of the best portable and powerful generators on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Westinghouse 28,000 Peak Watt Home Backup Portable Generator. The Westinghouse WGen 20000C is a nominally portable powerhouse with a wheeled frame that makes it easy to move in and out of storage. Its impressive maximum power output of 28,000 watts is enough to keep your lights on, the heat or air conditioning running, and every other power-hungry appliance and electronic device in your home until electrical service is restored. If you're looking for a home generator that won't make you choose what to plug in, this is the best choice. This generator actually provides more power than our best whole house pick, a standby generator that requires a permanent installation, but it's a lot more flexible. It has a huge array of outlets, 9 in total, to plug appliances and other equipment in directly, all of which are protected by rubber covers. This generator also comes ready to plug into a transfer switch if you have one, allowing it to provide power directly to your entire home, including your heating and air conditioning. It only runs on gasoline, which limits it to about 11 hours of runtime between refueling. That's plenty of time to avoid waking up to refuel in the middle of the night, but you may want to consider our best dual fuel pick, a less powerful 12,500 watt Westinghouse generator, if you want something that will run longer and you don't feel the need to run all of your appliances and HVAC system at the same time. This is a physically large generator that weighs nearly 600 pounds, so it's harder to move around than less powerful models. However, it does have wheels and handles that provide some leverage, so moving it around on flat, even surfaces like concrete isn't difficult. Perfect if you have storage in your garage and a concrete pad, or driveway, outside where you can move the generator during a power outage. Dimensions: 39.5 by 27.3 by 40.2 inches, weight, 599 pounds of power output, 28,000 watts of fuel type, gasoline warranty, 3 years. At number 2. WEN Dual Fuel Portable Generator. This portable generator from WEN is equipped to operate with or without a transfer switch, and it provides enough power to run a wide range of appliances and other equipment in your home. The power output of 3,800 watts limits how many appliances you can run simultaneously, but the price is right, about half that of our best dual fuel pick. We like how small and lightweight this generator is compared to more powerful models. It barely weighs more than 100 pounds, so you can grab the frame and pick it up if needed. The frame has solid wheels, though, no flat tires, so moving it into position and then back into storage is really easy. This generator includes two 120V GFCI outlets for plugging in your equipment and a 30 NEMA twist lock that can switch between 120V and 240V. If your house is equipped with a transfer switch, you can use the NEMA connector to plug the generator directly into your house's electrical system, just like our overall best recommendation. If you do use a transfer switch, you'll need to be careful about what you turn on at the same time to avoid overloading the generator. It won't run your central air conditioning, but it can run a portable air conditioner, your fridge and freezer, and much more. Dimensions: 23.2 by 17.5 by 18.5 inches, weight, 105.8 pounds of power output, 3,800 watts of fuel type, gasoline, propane warranty, 2 years. At number 3. Beams Motion Sensing LED Spotlight. You'll find LEDs, light-emitting diodes, used on all of the best outdoor light bulbs because of their superior energy efficiency and longevity. That's the case with the Model MB360XT Motion Sensing Spotlight from Beams, which leverages that energy efficiency to provide long-lasting battery-powered light. This light isn't particularly powerful at 200 lumens. Our best overall recommendation, the Leonlight Watchman LED Motion Sensor Security Light, provides 900 lumens from each of its lights, but we observed that it provides functional light at a distance of about 35 feet. In the garden where we aimed it during testing, the light was bright enough to provide visibility, while not blinding guests or the 2 dogs that play in the yard. The MB360XT offers little customizability. It doesn't even have an always-on mode, but it does provide a good value, with a price of about half that of the Leonlight Watchman, our best overall recommendation. It also has a very effective light sensor, which keeps the light from triggering during the daylight hours. We confirmed the light sensor works well, as does the motion detector. Beams lists a modest range of 30 feet for the motion detector, but we found it picked up on large movements in direct line of sight up to 40 feet away. Installation took us about 10 minutes, which included drilling holes for the mounting screws. The process is simple since it's battery powered, but keep in mind you will need to replace the batteries from time to time. Plus, the angle of the light can't be adjusted without removing and reinstalling it. Dimensions: 6.5 by 3.5 by 4.42 inches. Detection range: 30 feet. Power source: 3 replaceable D batteries. Brightness: 200 lumens. At number 4. Honda EU 2200 ITAN 2200 watt inverter generator. If you need some power in a pinch, the Honda EU 2200 ITAN is the portable generator that you want to have waiting on a shelf in your garage. This lightweight generator puts out a respectable 2200 watts, which is enough to power a small portable air conditioner, your fridge, and other vital equipment when the power is out, just not all at the same time. This generator is especially portable due to its size and weight, so it's the ideal option to have around if you need something to take with you to job sites or camping and then have around in case of a power outage at home. It has a built-in carrying handle, and it's about the size of a small ice chest or briefcase, so transporting it isn't any trouble at all. One of the things we love about this Honda generator is that you can operate it in parallel with another identical generator if you need more power. You need to pick up a parallel kit, and it only works if you have 2 of the exact same generator, but it's a very useful option that lets you bump up the power output higher than our best value pick that tops out at 3800 watts. Dimensions: 21 by 12.24 by 19.72 inches. Weight: 48 pounds of power output, 2200 watts of fuel type. Gasoline warranty: 3 years. At number 5. Westinghouse dual fuel portable generator. If you're looking for the flexibility of running on either gas or propane and have modest power requirements, our favorite dual fuel portable generator is exactly what you need. This portable generator includes plenty of outlets for plugging in your equipment, but it's also equipped to connect to a transfer switch to power your home directly. This Westinghouse generator is a sized-down version of our overall best recommendation at about a third of its price, so it's an excellent choice if you don't need to power absolutely everything in your home at once. With a power output of 8500 watts, it can power a 3-ton central air conditioner with enough juice left over to light up your house, keep your food cold, and more. We like the flexibility of this generator, which can run on either gas or propane, with the same power output regardless of which you use. It also includes 6 power outlets, including one that you can use to connect it to a transfer switch. The never-flat solid wheels and handle make it easy to move around too, so pulling it out when the power goes out is no trouble at all. Dimensions: 27.2 by 26.1 by 26.5 inches. Weight: 210 pounds. Power output: 8500 watts of fuel type. Gasoline, propane warranty: 3 years. At number 6. Ecoflow Delta Pro 3 with 2x400W portable solar panel. This solar generator eliminates the need to worry about fuel and provides enough power to run a wide variety of appliances and electronics in your home. It's our favorite solar option because the highly effective 400W solar panels can keep you powered up indefinitely, as long as you have enough sunlight during the day. Ecoflow packs a huge Ford 096 of power into the massive battery that forms the core of this solar generator, along with the ability to provide 4000 watts of power. That's enough to run any appliance in your home, including smaller central air conditioners, although the battery life won't support that kind of usage for long. We like that you can use this as a backup power supply for crucial electronics and that you can use it inside. It's super quiet and doesn't produce carbon monoxide like generators that burn fuel. It features a lightning-fast 10 millisecond switchover time, so you can plug it into the wall and plug your essentials into it, and it will switch to battery power almost instantly when the power goes out. If you want to go totally off the grid, you can connect several of these together for even more reserve capacity. The largest amount of power storage supported is 48 kWh, which is enough to power an entire home for a few days in case inclement weather interferes with the solar panels. These solar generators are heavy and kind of difficult to move since the wheels are so small, but we think the convenience and power far outweigh those minor issues. Dimensions: 16.16 by 13.43 by 27.38 inches. Weight: 115 pounds of power output, 4000 watts of fuel type. Battery/solar warranty: 5 years.